Hi, I'm Milrena, and this is the second episode for what I am calling the pre-publishing. So first up on this one, I say go to Dale's website, download the metadata template. It's Word. It's just going to outline all the different things that you're going to need, so you have it in one place, and it's really, really helpful. I used it all the time. So when you're going to publish something, you just go and you copy and paste, and everything's already completed, and you keep it all in one place so you always know where all of your information is housed. Okay, today is category and keywords. So there is a really cool tool for category, and it's by Bookish Nerd, BOOKISHNERD.com, and they have what is called a category hunter. So what you do is you look at other books that are really similar to yours. You go and you get the ISBN number, which is on Amazon, it will show you, and then you just plug in the ISBN number and it tells you what categories this book is under. So you don't really have to guess of what category your book should be. So that's really cool. Keywords. There's two strategies I recommend for this. The first one is yourself, right? Sit down, go to Amazon Incognito, and type in some keywords that you think your book is about, and then see what pops up. Are the books similar to the ones that you think your book is like? Is it something completely different and you're like scratching your head like, wow, what are those? It's going to tell you if you're on the right direction or not. So as yourself, as a consumer, as a reader, what would you type in? And then just see what pops up. The second one is, there's a lot of tools on this one, but I liked BookVault. So this has a keyword finder tool for you. It walks you through, and it has some really, really good resources, both for category and keywords. So I recommend BookVault. And if you were in if you watched the other episode, but that's okay, I'm going to spell it again because I always get this wrong. BOOKBOLT, BookVault. It's also a great resource for covers, which will be another episode. So conclusion, keywords, BookVault, yourself, and then category will give you the category hunter is a really cool for category. So next up, I'm going to talk about ISBN numbers and covers. All right, thanks for watching and stay tuned.